This video is sponsored by the brand Antifir.
Check out the foldable wagon from Antifir. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase and a quick guide on how to get this thing assembled and what the finished product looks like, so exactly what to expect when your wagon arrives. But here's what you get. Most of it already comes assembled for you. The frame is already put together, so all you're going to do is fold it out just like this. And now once you get it folded out, you can go put in that inner liner. This is super nice too. On the bottom, it's going to be some strong plastic. You can hold up to 300 pounds with the frame and the plastic, so it should be able to fit whatever you're going to put in here and hold it fine. And now there's just Velcro on the sides here, so I'm just going to get it Velcroed around, and I'll come back and I'll show you how to put the wheels on. Okay, so now that we got the liner on this, we can go ahead and put the wheels on, and they are very, very easy as well. So all you want to do is flip it over like this, and on the bottom here, and just so you can see, there's going to be orange buttons, and all you got to do is push those down while you're sliding in the wheels. And we are going to put the brakes wheels on the front here, so we're going to push that orange button in, push them on, and once you get them on there, they're not going anywhere. We'll do the same with the bottom here. Move on to the other side. And then what's nice too is once you have these wheels in here, you can just keep them in there. So when you put it back in your car, just fold it up, keep the wheels on. That'll save you a step when you want to use it in the future. But we'll go the final wheel here, and just like that, this thing is basically assembled. Put the bottom on here, and all that is going to be two push pins on here where we're going to slide this handle in. Okay, and just like that, this thing is fully assembled. I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer because this actually has a couple perks on it that other ones in the past that I've demoed don't have. So I want to make sure I show you that. You can kind of see them up close, which is kind of cool. Okay, so let's get into those perks. First is going to be all the storage space. So you can have storage on the front here for all your collectibles, belongings, stuff like that. In the front, water bottles. Got room to store them there. And what's cool about this is actually this back part here. It's like a gate. So right now it's locked. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. But if you lift it up, you can open it up similar to like a tailgate. So if you want to use it for different things, or if you're carrying something really, really long, you can have it laid out like that, and you're good to go. When you're done using it, put it back. It'll lock, not going anywhere. Wheels lock as well. So overall, this does its job exactly as it should. Perfect for the beach, going to softball. That's how I use it. But overall, great product, easy to assemble. Good 2 thumbs up.